Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Ntoskrnl Exe error in Windows 10 or 11. The error may appear like so. Here's the way you can fix it. First thing you can try is to do your Windows updates. Just click here and type in update. And then click where it says check for updates. Then download and install the current update that is there. And if you're still having the error, then you can try this. Open your command prompt. To open your command prompt, just go on your Windows icon, type in cmd, run as administrator. Once this opens, you need to type in this command. The first one you type in is this one. Then press enter. Then after it finishes, then you have to type in the next one. Dism online cleanup image restore health. After you're done with this one, then you have to enter the next command. Check disk F and R. You're going to get prompted to say yes or no. Then you press Y and then you press enter. And you're done.